All right, hi everyone. So we're going to look at sketching graphs of cubic polynomials and their moduli today. Now, this is a very short chapter, so let's go through quite quickly. Now, in terms of shape, if we have a cubic polynomial, we'd expect it to look like, like a mountain and valley kind of situation. All right. So if it's more than 0, that means the coefficient of x cubed is more than 0. So we actually start off from the negative side. We go up, make a mountain, and then go down, make a valley. All right. So it has a maximum and a minimum point. Now, if your coefficient of the x cubed is a negative value, we will actually start off from top. So we'll actually kind of form a valley first, followed by a mountain, and then it goes down. All right. So these are the two kind of shapes that you have to take note. And also, if you look at a cubic polynomial with a repeated root, like x minus 1 squared plus 1, then what you will notice is that it actually starts to bounce off at that particular root. It will not actually go past it, but actually bounce off there. Similarly, if it's a negative version, then you will bounce and go below. All right? So these are the few variations of your cubic polynomial that you will sketch. All right. Now let's look at some examples here. So let's look at this example. We want to sketch y equals to 2x minus 1, 2 minus x, and x plus 1. So very conveniently, this already has been factorized for you, and in the factored form, you can actually get the roots fairly quickly. All right. So for any sketch, make sure we list out the roots. So I can see the first root is actually half, followed by 2, followed by negative 1. All right, so other than that, we also have to check for the y-intercept. So we're going to multiply all the coefficients, all the constant term at the back together, which is this and this. All right, so minus 1 times 2 is minus 2, minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. So we expect negative 2 as our y-intercept. All right, so now let's check, is it a normal positive ax cubed or a negative ax cubed? Let's check the coefficient for x cubes. So that's 2x times minus x. So that's minus 2x squared times x will be minus 2x cubed. So this is a less than 0 situation. So we're going to start off from the top, all right? So I'm going to do a quick sketch. Now don't worry about your minimum, maximum. You may not be right, but it's okay. Just roughly, this will be your shape. All right? So that's how you sketch your negative cubic polynomial. All right, so the next part is they want us to sketch the modulus. All right? So the modulus is very simple. Whatever's at the bottom, we are going to just flip it up. All right? So maybe I'll just draw it right here very quickly. So we still need to maintain our roots. Don't change that. So minus 1, half, and 2. All right. Now your y-intercept before was minus 2. Now actually transformed to positive 2. Okay. So it looks something like that. Go down. So it flips up, hits that, goes down. One more mountain, and then the thing gets flipped up, so it goes all the way up like that. Okay, so this is our modulus graph. All right, I hope that is helpful. Yeah, so for modulus, basically anything below the x-axis gets reflected upwards. Yeah. All right, let's look at example 2. They want us to sketch x minus 1 squared x plus 1. So this is a cubic function, but it has a bounced off effect, isn't it? So let's label all roots first. So x, y. So we have one root at 1, one root at minus 1. We know it bounces off here. So let's look at the y-intercept. So minus 1 squared is positive 1 times 1 is 1. Okay. So our x squared coefficient, x cubed coefficient in this case is a positive. So we start from the bottom. We know it cuts. Oops, maybe I should redraw this. I'll try again. It cuts through here, maybe bounced off here, and then goes. All right, so something like that. All right, so that's our x minus 1 square, x plus 1. Okay, now if you want to sketch the modulus, very easy. Basically, this part gets reflected upwards. Okay, so maybe I'll draw it the other side. Here, so at minus 1, we still have that. 1, we still have that. This is x, this is y. So we're going to have the graph gets reflected, goes up at 1 here, goes down to 1, and then starts to bounce off. Okay? So yeah, so that's our modulus graph. Okay, so I hope that is clear on how you sketch a cubic polynomial and its modulus. And yeah, it's not a very difficult part of the chapter. All right. If all is good, I will see you in the next one. Cheers.